$280 billion. That's the market opportunity Mobileye is targeting as the robotics industry finally exits pilot programs and enters commercial production. Three sectors are scaling simultaneously. Autonomous vehicles launching robotaxis in 2026, industrial automation going fully autonomous by 2028, and service robots expanding into mainstream adoption with new regulatory approvals. This isn't gradual adoption anymore. According to industry data, we're seeing coordinated commercial deployment across 3 robotics verticals for the first time. Mobileye reports 35.6 million units in their pipeline. That's like Tesla's entire production history happening in 2 years. Boston Dynamics shows $58.2 million in recent activity, marking their shift from viral videos to actual revenue. The difference now? Insurance coverage is expanding, regulations are clearing, and the technology finally works at scale. Start with autonomous vehicles. Mobileye's numbers tell the story. 5.4 billion miles of data collected, with error rates down to 1.9 incidents per million miles. That's 7 times safer than human drivers. Production targets: 5.1 million autonomous vehicles by 2028, with commercial robotaxi services launching in 15 cities by 2026. Translation: your Uber ride will likely be driverless within 3 years. Nuro is already deploying delivery vehicles commercially, while Mobileye's supervision system is in 1,003 vehicle models globally. Revenue projections show $8.2 billion in autonomous vehicle revenue by 2028. Industrial automation is exploding. Bedrock Robotics reports 350 installations scheduled for 2024, fully autonomous manufacturing systems, not just robotic arms. These systems eliminate human oversight entirely. ServeRobotics tells a similar story. ServeRobotics is scaling delivery bots, while Lifeward, operating since 2001, finally sees mainstream adoption of their exoskeletons as insurance coverage expands. Boston Dynamics' $58.2 million represents a 400% jump from their previous commercial activity. Risk here: labor displacement happening faster than retraining programs can adapt. Investment thesis is shifting hard. Traditional auto stocks face disruption as software companies like Mobileye capture value. Their $1.98 billion market cap looks cheap against a $280 billion addressable market. Industrial automation stocks, think ABB, Fanuc, become acquisition targets as pure-play robotics companies scale. ServeRobotics creates new categories entirely. Key metric to watch: deployment rates. Mobileye's 35.6 million unit pipeline suggests 2025-2026 will see exponential adoption curves. Downside: regulatory backlash as job displacement accelerates. But here's the risk everyone's ignoring: infrastructure isn't ready. Cities lack the digital infrastructure for robotaxi fleets. Manufacturing facilities need complete redesigns for fully autonomous systems. And service robots still struggle with edge cases. Ask anyone who owns a Roomba about stairs. The scaling might hit physical walls before financial ones. The bottom line: robotics is no longer a future technology. It's a current deployment story with $280 billion at stake. Winners will be platform companies like Mobileye that control the software stack, not traditional hardware manufacturers. Timeline is compressed: commercial deployment in 2026, mass adoption by 2028. Your move: exposure to software-defined robotics, not just robot makers.